Hi Shati Lines, how are we doing? Hope you're doing well. I'm well. Usually I talk about different things. My name is, first of all, my name is Phoebe. I normally talk about life in Germany and, legal aspects of life in Germany, laws in Germany, especially for foreigners and expats. And this time around, I just thought to talk about my hair, because if you see me on camera, you see that I've changed my hairstyle. And I've been consistent with this hairstyle for a long time. Yes, your girl got locks. A black girl in her locks. A black girl in her locks. And as you can see, I'm loving it. My hair smells like tea tree oil. Actually, just tea tree oil. It smells of tea. Whenever I do this, and I love the smell of tea tree oil, it kind of cleanses my lungs. Why am I deviating? So let me tell you the structure of this video. We're going to talk about why I got locks, how my journey has been so far, because it's my LOCNIVERSARY. And I got locks on the 14th of April 2024. I will never forget that day. I'm going to put tidbits of how I felt that day when I was going to do the locks. Well, I'm going through a lot of breakage right now. I did a protein treatment last year. Silk press. And maintenance was hard for me because I couldn't wash my hair as I wanted. I had to use lots of heat, and I really want to go away from heat. Heat is not good for my hair. And I also just want to use this opportunity to treat my hair much better, like give the hair the treatment it needs. And that is just for my scalp, for example. Just have better access to my scalp, because I hope I'm going to have a good grid and be able to take care of my scalp better. Another thing is that I want to just have low maintenance and just go, because I'm working on this really important project, and it's going to take a few years. So this is it, guys. This is it. I am so nervous, so excited, but Noni has said you have to be patient, and patience is not really one of my virtues, I have to admit. I got locks in the first place, okay? So the reason why I got locks was because I wanted to be myself. To a point where I was tired of wearing wigs. The reason why I said I wanted to be myself was that when this DHL guy would ring the bell, I would be looking for a scarf to cover my head or something. So then I decided to change my lifestyle a bit, also change my hair, in actual sense. So then I decided to keep my natural hair, but keeping my natural hair was not easy for me because I had changed the look. So what I would do with my natural hair then was I would always, gel it down to a ponytail and maybe put a ponytail extension on it. But that also worked for a while. But someone who gets bored quickly, I would also want to try something else. So that was another thing. So then I would then try to leave my hair flat and then wear the wigs on top of it. That was also working for a while. But then 2021, I saw more people with locks. I was like, I don't like that. So what I did was I did the faux locks, and I kept them for a few months. And I really liked that experience. And I had them in long, I had them in short. I was like, okay, this is it. I'm going to do locks. So now I live in Germany. Who is going to, do the retides for you? Who's going to help you maintain the locks? And that was one of the reasons why I did not do the locks in 2021 when I went to Ghana. And I'm someone, in as much as I like to make myself up, wear makeup, I love wearing makeup. That's why I say I'm a fashionista. Like on good days, I like to look good, But then I knew that I don't want to stand hours on end, days on end, nights, retying my hair. I knew I wouldn't be able to do that. The thing that made me not want to do it was knowing that it was irreversible. Like if I wanted to change my hairstyle and I didn't like the locks, especially at the beginning, it meant I had to cut my hair off. I decided to do it now too was irreversible. After your mom dies and nobody can bring your mother back, I was like, I'm even living in this condition already, so what is hair gonna do, So that was the argument against the irreversible thing. And the other argument against who is gonna help me retie is what I'm saying, that God is good, because I met my friend Noni, and thanks to TikTok, because I've been posting on TikTok, nobody saw me. Actually, our friendship is a beautiful one, so let me not even delve into that too much. But basically, I found someone who is doing my hair for me, okay? So that other thing also was, you know, scratched off. And not just about the, okay, then if it's irreversible, I have to cut my hair off. So what? So what? I remember summer 2022 was the summer that my mom and I were thinking of rocking low cuts again because both of us were fed up with doing our hair. So we're going to rock low cuts, and we're even thinking of honey blonde, ginger blonde. Like, we were thinking of colors that we'll be doing. So I was like, the thing is, I knew that whatever I'll do, it will be fun. That's what I told myself. So I said, okay, let me just try it and see how it's going to go, okay? All right. So that was that. And then I started. Now, before I started doing it, probably you can see it on this video, I had silk pressed my hair. After some month, I had permed my hair. So my hair was really scanty and had lost volume and luster. Like, the hair was tired. So I washed my hair, and I intentionally left it natural, like let it grow out for I think 6 weeks without going for a retouch or something, or maybe 3 weeks. I was like a bit late for my retouch for the relaxer, and then I went to No Need to get the Locs installed. And the joy I had when I first installed the Locs, look how scanty the hair looked because of the perm. I had lost all volume, and now look how much volume is back. Like, yo, like, it's crazy. So that was one thing that I noticed about Locs, is that your natural hair will reward you for it. And so far, so good. And the thing is, I was thinking, as the hair was growing and it was still scanty, I would probably do wigs till then. And I'm glad I went through this transition over the past year, and it's been so much fun. I've not worn wigs. I've not even worn wig once. I think I gave some of my wigs out 2-3 weeks ago. I don't care. You get it? It's just nice to be free. You wake up in the morning, you spray in some water, and your hair starts shaking. Like, isn't God wonderful? Isn't God wonderful? So yeah, those are the reasons why I got Locs, and that's my thing so far. And the size I have is quite versatile, so I'm really happy. I'm just really happy with Locs. That's just it. People that I watched before getting my Locs were mainly Ifenua. I really like her so much, and she kind of gave me the push that it is doable even with less effort, less effort. And we kind of have similar challenges, and I like watching her because she talks about the topics that intrigue me. And yeah, so if you want to do Locs and you are not sure, look for influencers that make things, not just influencers, but other women who make things plain, okay? Who make things plain for you to see. That's all. Lessons learned. What are the lessons I've learned? Is do what works for you. Less is more. So when it comes to how I treat my Locs, I would say that I spray them. So I've tried the hibiscus tea, I've tried the rosemary tea, and I do them interchangeably. When it comes to hibiscus tea, I'm not going to do it so much because it stains. It's sobolo, it's bisap, it's zobo, basically zobo without sugar. So zobo with rosemary, fenugreek seeds, cloves. And now I just have my water without that. I'm going to show you guys, or should I get it? Yeah, let me get it. The water, this is infused with rosemary, cloves, fenugreek, and that's it. Actually, that's it. So I just spray that on my hair in the morning, and it's just wakes my hair up, and I love it. So that's it. Oh, one main lesson I've learned. So as I said, I use more of this, and then I put the tea tree oil right on my scalp. I don't use heavy oils. So sometimes it's tea tree oil, sometimes it's coconut oil that I put on my scalp and in my hair. And another thing that I do not do is the heavy creams and the heavy oils and couture, shea butter. I don't use shea butter on my hair. I don't do that. Another thing that I've learned this past winter is that I cannot be using shawls and scarves that leave lint on my hair. So if not, I'm going to have all this white spots, or depending on the color of the scarf, it's all going to be in my hair, and I just don't like it. So that is one thing. So now I have to look for the scarves that are out of cotton but will keep me warm without, you know, messing with my hair. Hopefully by next winter my hair is going to have the length where I can put everything up. You know, this will actually look good. That look would eat, you know, like put everything up like this kind of thing. Actually, I could do it, and then all I have to do is put lots of pins, kind of like forcing it. You remember how those girls who come out of secondary school, some of them will be forcing to pull a ponytail, and then so many pins. I don't want to be like that. Way forward is I'm going to, so what I've been doing is retying my locks every 6 weeks. This time around, I did it after 3 months, almost 3 months, because I had the braids in them. So the time you saw me with braids, the locks were underneath it. That's what I'm saying. It's so versatile. Like, there are even locks, clip-ins that you can put in your locks to make your locks fuller if you're a beginner. But after a year, I love this. It's one of the best decisions I made in my life. Like, I wake up and I don't have to cover my hair. And the thing is, my lifestyle is one that I travel a lot. My lifestyle is one that I visit family a lot. So sometimes I would not be in my house. I would wake up and I wouldn't be in my house. And I don't have to now think about, hey, who is watching? You know, who is, you know, looking at me? No. This is, I wake up, and as long as I have water, I'm good. My hair is going to be fine. Yeah. And this journey has taught me a lot about positivity, like body positivity, loving myself. I've always had a crazy amount of self-confidence, but now it's through the roof. Honey. You can't tell me, like before you couldn't tell me nothing. Now I'm not even going to give you audience. Like before you couldn't tell me nothing because I would listen, I wouldn't take it. But now I'm not even giving you audience. That's it. Like a homa so, yeah. That's how I feel. So yes, this is my lock journey. I hope that this video helps you to make your decision. Look at this joy. Don't you want to share in it? There is nothing that should keep you away from doing your locks, really. Nothing. And I can't wait. Like, imagine this is the length I have now, okay? Imagine I now have this length. Hey, you people are in trouble. In fact, start respecting me now, okay? Start respecting me now, because once my hair reaches my shoulder, I am telling you, in fact, I'm promising you, if you call me, I won't pick. It's a promise. Call me, I won't pick. I'm promising from the bottom of my heart, I won't pick. Yeah. Styles I'm gonna try. I love curling them. So either braid out. I've already done braid out once. I'm gonna do more of the curlies, like I forgot what they call them, the little rods. Yeah, and this is my lock journey and I love it. Like, I celebrate it so much. If there's anybody who is thinking about it, please don't hesitate. Go ahead, okay? Go ahead. Yes, guys. So thanks for watching. If there's anything you want to know about life in Germany, I am going to bring you the next video I'm going to do. I did this video, I think 2023, when I talked about the products I use for my face. Now you can see my face is not doing as well as it used to do. So I'm currently on a journey now. So I'm going to show you the products that I'm using now that seem to be working. And that will be the next video. I have to actually go out and restock on my products. So I'll show you guys what these products are doing for me. Yep. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.